How to rotate a photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Select a photo you wish to rotate. After opening the photo, tap the Edit button located in the bottom right corner. This brings up the photo editing interface. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the crop icon on the right. In the top left corner, a rotate icon appears. Tap this rotate icon a few times until you are satisfied with the position of the rotation. Once the photo is in the correct sideways orientation, tap the yellow Done button in the top right corner to save the changes. You can follow the same procedures for any photos that you want. Following these steps, you can easily rotate a photo on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.